This year's Prince Lat's Hula Festival's theme, deals with the idea of a new dawn. And the whole point about it that we look at the sun rising, and it's a very powerful force. And we can look at it as Hula is on a cusp, and that we can move forward with this. We've all had to compromise, we've all had to figure out how to deal with this COVID. We've all had to suffer through it all, postpone things, cancel things, lose family over it all, and how are we going to come out stronger? That's really important. How are we going to learn from our lessons? Our kupunas taught us a lot about the past through our stories and legends that they told us, and their behavior and what they did to teach us how to deal with some of these situations. But situations, who knew that we were going to go through a pandemic? And it's a really difficult way of doing it and doing things in Hula today. And so this idea of a new dawn is all about hope, that there is light at the end of the tunnel. The sun will rise again. Hula will be here forever, but how will we deal with it? So with this new dawn comes a lot of hope. It also comes with a lot of responsibility as a Kumu Hula, as Olapa, as a cultural practitioner. People need to realize that as a Kumu Hula, I'm a master of Hula. I'm not a master of a canoe. The old saying in Waimea is that we have our heads in the cloud because we don't know how to ride canoes. We don't know how to drive canoes way up in the mountain. But with this idea of the new dawn, we have hope that we can all drive our own canoes into the future.